Camping Retreats 2017. The morning, day 2. We had a great night last night. The campers are still sleeping, so I'm going to take their bath. Iggy's busy preparing breakfast for us, and yeah, we have a fun-filled day today lined up. We've got a fun activity to take part in. We'll share pictures once it's late. Have a great day. Camping Retreat 2017, baby!
No stress, it's Bucks' money.
Hey, what does that mean?
Money's got us covered.
Kalahari money got us covered, boo.
Tato, mono ska kapa for botla ko khona. Tsa medi ao. Okay. Ooh, all right.